Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW 2 Series wiper blades. First, we need to prepare your vehicle by putting the wipers into their service position. To do this, turn your ignition on, then immediately turn it off. Next, push the wiper stalk up and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll see the wiper blades move to a vertical position on your windshield, making them easy to access for replacement. Now that your wipers are in service mode, gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small release button or tab. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. Once removed, carefully lower the bare wiper arm back down or place a towel on your windshield to prevent any accidental damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or adapter on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Then, repeat these steps for the other wiper blade, ensuring both are properly installed. Once both new wiper blades are securely installed, gently lower both wiper arms back down onto your windshield. Next, turn your vehicle's ignition back on. To deactivate the service mode and return the wipers to their normal resting position, simply push the wiper stalk down. Finally, give your new blades a quick test with some washer fluid to ensure they are clearing your windshield effectively and quietly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.